Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. We are engineering students from Pusat Asasi UiTM. We are participating the AICD, which is ASIC Innovation and Creativity 2021. So today we are presenting our product, which is Smart Shoes Sense. So in our group we have 4 students, which is Aida Natasha binti Said, Ezina Nadira binti Zefri Esmi, Muhammad Syahrizal bin Marasi, and Syazani Izdina binti Jeffrey. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
So this is our introduction for jogging shoes. Jogging is a favorite sports activity, but various aspects need to be taken, including the calculation of the running distance and the number of calories burned. However, because people have problems in calculating the running distance, so we decided to make jogging shoes for jogging activities. So these shoes are equipped with tools that can help the user to calculate the distance.
There are 3 main objectives of our product, which is the Smart Shoes. So the first one is this shoe is specially customized to help the user to calculate a more precise jogging distance by recording the number of steps. This will help the user to have more accurate calculation about the distance they have jogged. And secondly, to teach the user to evaluate their jogging ability. This step will help the user to improve their jogging skills, or on the other hand, will help the users to know their limit on jogging. Last but not least, to encourage the community of building their passion for sports along with the development of technology. As the technology evolving rapidly, the community, especially the youngsters, are more attracted to the technology, which is we apply that to our product.
So this is our product, which is Sense Smart Shoes. So I will present the design of product. Our product is provide the device at the behind of the shoes. So at our device we get the accelerometer, gyroscope, sensors, Bluetooth module, pressure sensor, buttons, light and battery. So our device is connected to the system, so we can calculate the duration and the distance and other things. So this is our material used that in making our smart shoes. For the shoes, we have the Cortex that got the low temperature, and also synthetic materials and PVC materials. So we want to make our smart shoes waterproof, so we can use in raining or flat season. So we can save the device at the behind of the shoes. So as I said previously, we at the device we have the battery, LED, pressure sensor, Bluetooth module, button, accelerometer and gyroscope that we can connect to the app SENS to calculate our duration and our So for our novelty, the price for the materials for the Cortex is RM20, synthetic materials RM20, PVC materials RM10, battery RM50, LED RM10, pressure sensor RM140, Bluetooth module RM20, button RM50, accelerometer RM30 and gyroscope RM20. So when we total all the price, we got the RM300. So when we sell our smart shoes, in the normal price is RM360. So for the first 5 buyers, which is we sell our smart shoes in RM250. So this is our product manual. As we can watch at the video, we must download the SENS app to record the distance user has run or jogged and to know the total battery left in the system of the shoe. At first, we must press the button behind the shoe as shown in the video until the light lights up. Then we must connect the system of the shoe to the app through Bluetooth, so we can use the shoe.
So there's a lot of advantage of the shoe that we have invented. First of all, it is durable, which means it is able to withstand wear, pressure, or damage, also known as hard wearing. Secondly, our smart shoe has a precise measurement and calculation because our team has created a special application for the measurement called the Sense app. Next, our smart shoe is very lightweight because we use the materials that are very light, such as plastics. Therefore, it is waterproof because the material that we use also is Gore-Tex, which is a fabric that stops liquid water. For example, falling rain or sweats, but allows vapor passes through it. And we also use synthetic materials such as plastics, as I mentioned before, and synthetic rubber. Lastly, our smart shoe is very easy to use because the users only have to download the app that we have created, connect it to Bluetooth, and they are ready to use.
Is the weakness of jogging shoes. First, these jogging shoes cannot be used for other sport activities. Second, there is only one color on market. Third, the price of the materials used is quite expensive. And fourth, it takes a long time to repair a button if it is broken.
This shoe is designed in line with the current technological development. Therefore, these are our product target groups, which are jogging enthusiasts and teenagers. For the jogging enthusiasts, we are pretty sure that they will attracted to buy our product because this shoe have features that will help them with their jogging activity. And as for the teenagers, teenagers are more fun to attracted to these shoes because these shoes are modern and stylish.
So, to sum up our smart shoe project, I could say that it really gives off a lot of benefits towards the community, especially our smart shoes user, because the system inside our smart shoe is way more accurate than the smartwatch that have become a trend nowadays. But why did I say so? It is because smartwatch measures the user's jogging distance based on the GPS, where it detects the location of the users from the starting point to the end point. Meanwhile, for our system, it calculates and measures the user's jogging distance based on the number of user steps. So overall, we could see that there's various advantages and features of the shoe that we created for the convenience of the community. Hence, I highly recommended our smart shoe to all people so that they will feel more motivated towards a healthy life and building up their passion for sport.
So that's all for today. I hope you guys is enjoying our presentation video today. Don't forget to share, comment and like our video. Have a nice day. Bye.